In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly import and configure an image sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to turn a series of images into a seamless video clip, ready for further editing and export. First, before importing your image files into Premiere Pro, there's a little bit of housekeeping to take care of to ensure everything goes smoothly. If it's necessary, you'll want to set the default frame rate for your image sequences before importing them. This can be crucial for maintaining consistent playback speed later on. Depending on your system, if you're on a Windows device, head over to Edit, then Preferences, and select Media. For those on a Mac OS, go to Premiere Pro, then Preferences, followed by Media. Here, you'll be able to set the Indeterminate Media Time Base. This setting will determine the default frame rate for your image sequences and helps maintain consistency throughout your editing process. Now, with those preferences in check, it's time to import your images. Click on File and then select Import. Navigate to where you've stored your series of ordered image files. It's important here to just select the first image in your sequence, such as File 001 PNG. In the Import dialog box, be sure to check the box that says Image Sequence. This informs Premiere that you're bringing in a series of sequentially numbered files and instructs it to treat them as one continuous video clip. This step is particularly important because it links all your images together into a single, uninterrupted piece of media that you can work with just like any video file. Once you've done this, click Open or Import. Premiere will bring in your series of images as a single video-style clip, and you'll be able to find it within your project panel, ready for use. Now, to get this onto your timeline, simply drag that newly created clip into your sequence area at the bottom. At this point, you need to make sure your sequence settings match your final desired output, particularly regarding frame rate and resolution. If the sequence settings don't automatically match your target frame rate or resolution, that's okay. You can adjust them easily. To do this, right-click on your clip, head over to Modify, and select Interpret Footage. Here, you can set Assume this frame rate to your desired frames per second. Ensure that the entire sequence's frame size, rate, and other settings are consistent with what you want for your final product. This ensures that the image sequence is displayed correctly and prevents any hiccups in playback or export quality. And that's it. By following these steps, you've turned a series of still images into a continuous clip in Premiere Pro. This method not only speeds up the editing process, but ensures that everything is set up correctly from the get-go. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.